again a favorite of mine. I don't know if you guys will like agree to me, or I'll just go back. So this is again a very favorite of mine, and I have been looking forward, like for my birthday I was looking forward to purchase it, but I just didn't get time. So I will definitely take in your suggestions and I'll start ordering. So this is for the price of rupees 703. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is yet again another kind of a video series which I started, and I will create a playlist for you guys. If you guys are interested, you can just go to my channel and check it out already. So this is again a part 2 of Shein alternative. Now I know that Ajio have been going on rounds for like so long, and I personally think that Ajio can be the possible, like the potential like Shein alternative, which you guys can call it. So if you're watching this phase for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next videos. So without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So today I'll be trying to cover like the tops, the dresses and all the sections. So please bear with me guys. It's just that I'm just cooperating. I'm just trying to be informative because Diwali season is coming and people will be ordering so many different stuffs, and people always look for stuffs which are worthy enough to spend your money on. So Ajio is definitely one of that. So let's just begin. So this is what, like there's a big bold sale. So there's a big bold sale going on. So definitely you guys can check that out. But I will go to the different sections. So let's just go to the women's sections first. So we will go to the kurta and kurtis. So there are different, like you can shop brand wise or you can just go accordingly. I'll just go like all the kurtas. It's again a very beautiful kurta. I loved it. It's so vibrant. I think that this is apt for Navratri, this is apt for Diwali, and it's so beautiful. I don't think that we will be getting these such types of kurtas on Shein, because obviously Shein is a much more westernized kind of app where like you get clothes which are much more western for the reason, and much more boho and western and very classy and sleek. But Ajio has got different rounds altogether. So you get like for Biba kurtis, it's a short kurta I guess, but it's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful pink color, and this is only for rupees 360. Now I bet that I haven't seen any of these kind of things on Shein app. Like whichever products or whichever clothes I'll find similar, I will include the screenshot on the screen so that it will be easier for you guys to see. So this is again a very apt color for Diwali, and this is only for rupees 299. So yeah, again. So let's just come down, and I think that most of it, the price point is somewhere like from 150 or 200 to I think that 800. So it depends on whether you're taking a single piece of kurti or a kurta set. So this again is such a beautiful color. Like look at the print. It's so beautiful. It's so vibrant. I think that an oxidized jhumka, and this is like so pretty. It will look so good guys. Trust me on this. So let's just go back to the women's section, and let's just go back to the tops and t-shirts section. So we'll just go and check all. We won't be like categorizing. So if you guys haven't checked out my Ajio haul, like t-shirt haul under rupees 150, I will link it somewhere on the screen. You guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. The tops over here are almost like the t-shirt section. If I'm talking, they are almost from rupees 147, like starting from rupees 150. And there are so many, like I think I have seen the similar ones on Shein like so many times on like so many different colors. So over here it's for rupees 250, but on Shein I bet it was a really of pricey one. I'd also seen a similar item on Shein over this similar print, So over here it is for rupees 294, and I will definitely include a screenshot on the screen so you guys can check out the Shein alternatives ones. So for the t-shirt section, this again we have seen so many times. You guys will obviously relate to me. I have personally seen so many times this one on Shein app, and over here it is for rupees 240. Now this one again I have seen yes and yes so many different times on Shein. The vibe and all together, it's so Shein type, and this over here is only for rupees 239. So we'll just quickly move on to the later sections. Like these kind of tops are so Shein. You will definitely find these color, this print on Shein whatsoever. Even if it's a dress or even if it's a top, you will definitely find it. So this one again is from the brand Fake, and it is for rupees 250. So we get like whole loads of different things. Like this is again a very Shein material, and I can bet on it, the quality is so good. It's like worth spending your 300 rupees or 240 rupees. It's worth it. So let's just quickly jump on to let's just go to the dresses sections. So I'll just quickly give all the dress sections. Now this one again, I think that we will definitely find similar items on Shein, and I am pretty sure that Shein prices are much more higher than that which is like given to us on Ajio. And over here this dress is only for rupees 598. Guys, it's only for rupees 598. We will definitely see these kinds of dresses on Shein, like a very boho, and you can just add an oxidized neck piece and an oxidized jhumkas, and I think that it will be a very boho attire altogether. So this one over here is for rupees 1100. So we'll just quickly go, and yes, oh my god, we can't just go wrong with this one. We have seen so many different variants of this particular dress on Shein, and I am pretty sure that it will be of much more higher price. Over here it is for rupees 750. So the dress sections I personally love because the dresses are so versatile. You can just pull these dresses off for like your parties, for western wear, for Indian wear, for like fusion dresses whatsoever. So these kind of dresses are again very popular these days. Very Lush is one brand which I'm looking forward to make a video with. So let's just see how that goes. So this one is for rupees 1000, I guess. Yes, it is for rupees 1000, and we can find similar items. Even if it's a sequin dress, we can find similar items on Shein as well. So let's just quickly go and check the other dresses as well. So the dresses are very versatile, I have to say. This again is a very Shein kind of thing which we see, and they might be available on Shein like a sequin dress or a party wear dress. So I will definitely include a screenshot and mention the prices. So this one over here is from the brand called Athena, and it is for rupees 1000. Now this one is my personal favorite. I don't know why, I just get the vibe of a very bossy and a very classy look from this particular brand. This particular brand is new, I guess, on Ajio, and it is going well. So this is again a very Shein kind of a thing, and we'll just quickly, so this is for the price of rupees 1748. Very Shein, guys, very Shein. So definitely you guys can see it for yourself that how much of, like, we probably, if Shein wouldn't have been in India, we would have been like following Ajio from the very first initially. But now I think this is the time when people are switching to Ajio because it's good, it's actually good. You're spending, and it's not that कि ये बहुत overpriced है और ये नहीं है कि मतलब कम दाम ले रहे हैं तो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं होगा या फिर कपड़ा का क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं होगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ये सब कुछ ये लोग चेक करके देते हैं, एंड ये कपड़े का क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा रहता है. मेरा हाफ ऑफ द वार्डरोब तो मेरा अजियो का है और मिंत्रा का है. So this one again is a very favorite of mine. I am looking forward in purchasing this for my birthday. So let me know, guys, what do you guys think of how it will be looking on me. I will be definitely taking in account your suggestions, so drop in your comments down below. So this one is again from the brand called Athena, and this is for rupees 900. Now I am pretty sure that these kind of dresses, similar kind of dresses, are available on Shein as well. So we'll just quickly go to the western wear. Western we covered like tops and tunics and dresses. So we'll just quickly go to the accessories part. So let's just go to the jewelry part, earrings and everything. So guys, I am pretty sure that in Shein also they started including like Indian jhumkas and Indian kind of like a very limited edition, but they started it. So this one again we will definitely find it on Shein. So over here I think it has got 6 pairs of earrings, and this is for the price of rupees 450. So I will include what Shein is offering. So this one is again a very Shein kind of a thing, and this one is for rupees 525 over here. So we'll just quickly, and this is so Shein guys, so Shein. This one is so popular. I have seen loads of content creators wearing it. I don't know, it's like so popular these days, so everybody is wearing it. So this one is again a very beautiful set altogether. You can just pull it off. So this one is for rupees 510. This one again is a very versatile piece. It's a very statement kind of a piece, and this is for rupees 450. So let's just move. I love the earrings as well. Now personally I haven't tried the earrings ever from Ajio, and I'm looking forward it. So this one is again a very Shein kind of a vibe, and the hoops is so pretty guys, so pretty. This one is again for rupees 449. We'll be getting like so many different variants all together. So I'll just quickly show you guys the glimpses so that it will be easier for you guys to recognize yourself as well. So let's just go to the western wear we have covered, the accessories. Let's just go to the footwear. So I'll just go to the heeled sandals. So the heels, I personally think that Shein का जूता बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगा होता था. No matter even if it's a very flat sandal, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगा हो जाता था. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, but मुझे लगता है personally कि Shein का जूता बहुत महंगा होता है. So for this one, this is again a favorite of mine. I don't know if you guys will like agree to me, or I'll just go back. So this is again a very favorite of mine, and I have been looking forward, like for my birthday I was looking forward to purchase it, but I just didn't get time. So I will definitely take in your suggestions and I'll start ordering. So this is for the price of rupees 703. So this is again in the price of rupees 703. We'll just quickly go to the, now these kind of heels I am pretty sure that everybody has seen on Shein, and ये transparent heel जो block heels होते थे ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा trendy होता था, और ये Shein में बहुत ही ज़्यादा दिखता था. मतलब shoes का category select करने से ऐसा type का unique designs मिलता था. And this is over here only for rupees 799 guys, only 799, and I can bet the quality is top notch. So again a very Shein kind of a thing. Now I am personally looking forward कि ये transparent block heels मेरे पे कैसा लगेगा. So please don't forget to comment down below, because I am like willing to take down your suggestions. So this is again for the price of rupees almost like 2000, but I think it's worth the price because Catwalk is ऐसा brand है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा quality का सामान वो लोग बेचते हैं. So I am definitely looking forward of how it will be looking on me. So let's just quickly go back and we'll just go to the jeans and jeggings sections, because why not? Jeans is very important. So there's this brand called D&MX which is going around the corner, like very popular these days. I think that this is one of the in-house brand of Ajio or Reliance. I have worn, like I had shown you in my previous haul video of Ajio of how the quality is. If you guys haven't checked it out already, I will definitely include somewhere on the screen. So D&MX is a very popular brand and the quality is very good. So for this jeans it is only for rupees 600 guys, only for rupees 600. 600 में Shein में कौन सा jeans अच्छा होता था, मतलब मुझे तो पता नहीं. So definitely this is again a jeggings. This is so versatile. Jeggings आजकल इतना ज़्यादा चलता है ना, ये it's just only for 500 rupees. Like if you guys are watching this video, go to your Ajio website and just quickly order it. is like so versatile. I'll just quickly go and check. Okay, so this is again ripped jeans. Now ripped jeans Shein में बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा होता था, and let's just check the price. So the price over here is only for rupees 800 guys, only 800. Ripped jeans 800 में मिल रहा है, वो भी अच्छा क्वालिटी का, कभी भी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. So I'll just quickly. So overall, if you guys have to ask me, I will give Ajio 9.5 out of 10 because recently what I have discovered is that Ajio का app में कुछ basic bug problem हो रहा है कि मतलब if you're going to order it or if you're going to see a product वो नहीं हो रहा है, वो पेज खुल नहीं रहा है, it's just showing something oops unable to reload or something. I guess that they need to work on their app. And the website is running smoothly. You can just go to the website and log in or like register. If you're a new user, you can order from website as well. The website is working perfectly fine. Even the app is working perfectly fine. Just that when I am actually willing to see a particular top, a particular dress, what are the sizes available, वो नहीं हो रहा है, वो पेज नहीं खुल रहा है. Apart from that, you can view the garments, you can view the shoes, you can view the accessories, but वो order करने के पहले जो we see it and read the reviews as well, वो नहीं खुल रहा है. So I think that there's some bug problem going on in the Ajio app, and I have emailed them. So let's just see how that goes. And I am also looking forward to your comments so then I can start building my card for my birthday. So let's just see how that goes. And definitely I would suggest, I would agree with all of you guys, like Shein ka alternative Ajio is a high possibility. And let me know guys, what do you guys think? What are your views on this particular app called Ajio, whether it can be a Shein alternative? I am looking forward to you guys' suggestions, you guys' comments as well as to what is your point of view on this particular whole thing. I am really looking forward to it. That was it for today's video guys. I do really hope that this video was informational and useful for you guys. If you guys haven't ordered anything from Ajio yet, you can definitely go ahead and order, and all the product and all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. So if you guys really want to check it out, you can just go and check my description box. I will definitely come up with more such videos which will be informational, which I like. Personally, Ajio has been my favorite for a long time, but like with the course of time, with Shein, with so many apps, with Club Factory, with so many apps coming along, Ajio might have got lost. But now is a time where Ajio is one of like leading, apart from Myntra and all of the others. So I think that at this moment Ajio is the number one. Like people are going nuts, and the price point, the quality wise, everything is top notch. So you don't have to like worry, like you don't have to have like second thoughts before ordering. So you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. Now this video is not at all sponsored, not at all affiliated. It's just my personal opinion which I'm sharing with you guys. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.